Hello there, whoever you are, wherever you are. Welcome to my video. My daughter said to me, Mom, you're making all those beautiful but very complicated things. Make something easy for a change, so everyone can make it. So here we go. This is very cheap paper. I normally use it to write my messages on. So I think you can find an easy, cheap piece of paper to make this funny ring. First, fold the paper in 8 same pieces. Fold one strip back and fold the paper up to the 4th fold. In the middle, nice and easy. Same on the other side. Now turn the paper, fold up the first fold, so you get a little triangle. Turn back the paper again, and now open up that fold that's on top. And make a fold like this. Same on the other side. Now fold the paper in, just on top of the other fold. Same on the other side. And you're almost done. There are 2 ways to fold up. Zigzaggy, like I show you here. Which will give this result. And if you use 2-sided paper, that will be very interesting, but you can roll up the paper as well. And I did that with the colored ring. That will give you one colored ring besides the heart. So, well, just choose. And here I colored the heart red. But as you can see, you can use 2-sided colored paper as well. Not too thick though, as I did, because that would crack, but hey, just try and have fun. Bye.